Hello, Kaboomers! This is the Pinoy Boomer back with another video. Finally, another news article was put up on the web with regards to the potential ban or hopefully just a heavy regulation imposed on the Philippine Inland Gaming Operations, PIGO for short. Since this was floated about by Senator Chis Escudero that they want bans on PIGOs as well. And one of the stocks that I also own that might be affected is DigiPlus. Now, I'm not a financial expert per se, a financial advisor, but for me as a retail investor, I just put in a little bit of money to acquire some shares. And if it doesn't materialize the assessment of banning PIGOs that might affect DigiPlus, at least that's a little bit of money that might be lost. But if doesn't get affected, that's a perfect time for me to average up and pile on the gains that I can get with this company. Again, do your research and check if your stomach is strong enough to own companies in the Philippine Stock Exchange that is involved in gaming. So, this is my video for now. I hope I can talk to you guys again soon. Bye-bye!